Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can download and install Optifine in Minecraft version 1.19.4. Get started. So here we are in the Optifine website, which is optifine.net, or you could just simply search in your browser Optifine, and this search result should appear right here, optifine.net, and you want to click it right there. And once you're here, you want to go here on downloads. And you want to go here. As you can see, Minecraft 1.19.4, you should download this Optifine because this is suitable for this version. Or if you want to show the other versions, you can also do that by clicking the show all versions right here, but this is what we want, Minecraft version 1.19.4, and now we want to download it. So click on download and we will be directed to this website, and we just need to wait a couple seconds right here. Just wait until the skip button pops up, and it's there now. So we just gotta click it and we will be directed here again, and all we have to do is click on download and it will automatically start downloading right here. And as you can see right there, you just need to wait for it to finish right there. It will take a while because your computer thinks it's not safe, but it is safe because this is a trusted program. Don't worry, it's just a false alarm. So here, now that it has finished downloading, you need to open that file right there, and this would pop up right here. So what you need to do is simply locate your Minecraft folder right here in the folder by simply clicking here, and you will be able to locate it. And remember the location of where you have installed it, especially whatever your launcher you're using. You need to remember where you put your Minecraft folder to install this Optifine version. So once you have located it here, then you can now click on install, and the Optifine will be installed in your Minecraft launcher. So all you have to do now is go to your Minecraft launcher and select the Optifine version of Minecraft 1.19.4, and you are good to go. You already have an Optifine in your Minecraft. But I'm not gonna do it right now because I currently don't have Minecraft installed in my PC, so I'm not using it for playing. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.